Did you know that the mimic octopus can impersonate other sea creatures? This amazing cephalopod can transform its colors and movements to mimic lionfish, flatfish, and even sea snakes. Imagine a smooth, undulating motion. It changes textures as sunlight sparkles on its skin, body-shifting shades like a living kaleidoscope. What's your favorite example of nature's cleverness? Let us know in the comments. Which nature wonder should we feature next? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of nature inspiration.